So across the street from Ina's house is the ocean, but you have to walk through, looks like a bunch of people's property. Just cut through a bunch of people's property. And this is where her boat is. Are both the boats here? She owns 2 boats.
Yeah. No, the other boat, the small one boat.
Yeah.
Those are really old and it's not really nice.
Mm-hmm.
In a good shape. So they sold for it.
Oh, so it's just the one boat.
Yeah, that's the boat.
Wow, that's a big boat.
Yeah, it is a big boat. Ganit na?
High tide?
It's high tide.
How did they get out to the boat?
Small boat.
A small boat?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the ocean across from Ina's house.
It's a high tide. Malantaw na sa bangka.
Ka mo ng Bisaya eh.
Ha?
May ka mo ng Bisaya eh. Malingatan na yung bana.
Sakay magparuto.
Hey, Uncle Edie's here.
Unsa?
Uncle Edie's here.
Hello!
Hello!
Kumabay unsa mo.
Mayang buntag!
Mayang buntag.
Mayang buntag!
Oh my God, it's so high tide.
Sama balik dito. Come on, ha?
No, he can speak.
No.
No, he can.
When? Michael, when you come back America?
Couple more weeks.
4 weeks?
So this is the family fishing boat. It's pretty big. It's hard to tell from the video, but it's probably close to $10,000. And they'll go out for 10 days at a time, probably as far as Mindanao to go fishing. And this is what some of the fish they catch, like this. Was this from the last catch from this boat?
Oh yeah.
Got some swordfish head.
Yeah.
You guys just get the head, right? Because the rest they sell.
Yeah.
Too much money to keep.
Only body with meat with shield to buyer. But the head out of head.
Yeah. That's good meat on the head, right?
Yeah. Very fat.
Very fat?
Yeah. Very fat.
Good tasting. Scaredy cat. So go swimming, babe, and we'll throw you in, and if you see something, let me know.
Yeah, there's a bunch of small fish.
But where are the corals out here, out farther?
Yeah, it's out on there.
So this is a reserve, right? You're not allowed to.
Yeah, because it's still aquarium, and I heard that they're gonna open for this year, but
But you're not allowed to fish right here.
Yeah, extended. Maybe next year they will open the quarry, and maybe that's a lot of tourists. And our property there, we can put a dive shop.
Oh, okay. That's a great thing about having this room here, this private cabana, is they bring you your free breakfast. They bring it right to you. They come up and you get to eat it right in front of your room. You don't have to go sit in a cafeteria or a dining room with everybody else. And this is our free breakfast. We got coffee. I got some corned beef and some eggs and rice. She got some tocino.
And scrambled egg.
Yeah, so this is the life, huh? Free too, included with the room. Hello, we're at Ina's brother's house, Ray.
Yeah.
So he's got quite the nice piece of property here. How did he get such nice property? From working for so long?
Yeah, some of them is part of the property of her wife, his wife.
Oh, so he got
And he just added
some of this on. Nice.
Go call me today. Huh? Yeah?
You're
I
there.
said, hi, Mike.
That's your sister-in-law.
Yeah.
This is nice here. So how many families live here?
It's only her and
And that's that's not on her
that's
property?
Mike's property with
Oh.
the fence all over. That's his dragon fruit over there.
Yeah, that's what I want to see, the dragon fruit. Now what came in, was the chickens or the dogs or something? That's why you put the fence up?
Ay, goose. Hello, oy.
That's a goose.
Mahaw kami, Debe. Oo, sige. Joke lang ko yun. Joke lang. Muna rin sa maha. Tiyoy, manbuntag. Oh, look at that. They have a dragon fruit.
Oh yeah, so dragon fruit farm. Oh, I see a dragon fruit too. So he wanted to start a dragon fruit farm. This Ray is her brother. We bought that property from. And he used some of the money that we gave him for the property to start this dragon fruit farm. And, you know, eventually it takes him a while to get started, but it'll be a cash crop for him. And here, look, we have some dragon fruits growing right there. So dragon fruit's like a cactus, and the fruit is the seed pod. Oh yeah, I see quite a few. And that's how they grow them on these concrete posts. And as they grow up, they tie them. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
His property.
There's one there, see?
Yeah, until
That fence.
Over that, so he's planning to.
Is that all his property there too?
Yeah. There is a fence over there.
And what's he gonna put over there?
This one.
More dragon fruit?
And that mountain, they have a big property and
He's got property up here.
it's not really up, it's just like close there that you can see.
And what's he gonna put there? More dragon? So he's gonna be the dragon fruit king, huh? So yeah, this is a really nice spread they have here. Right off the National Highway. Was this a piggery?
Before this our piggery, but now.
No. Nobody likes piggeries anymore. So he's doing quite well for himself. Huh?
He's harvesting.
Ah, she's gonna harvest it.
Yeah, you bring this. He's gonna give to us.
All right. Oops, there's stuff on something. Look at that.
No, overripe. Look, overripe na siya. Nagtikidit siya. Can tell it's so sweet because the
Ants are on it.
ants, yeah.
And he's cutting over there.
Still somewhere over there too.
Yeah, look, there's one there. There's one there.
This one probably this is a temporary one. Makasalang na po nito eh. Is this strong enough? Maano na siya namin
I can't hear anything.
This one is just a temporary because this is not strong enough.
To hold them, so they have to put the concrete posts in.
Yeah.
And whose house is this?
Minsan ang balay sa likod ko nito. Minsan ang balay sa likod. Yan kasi. Amo lang ito na.
So there's probably an access road somewhere that leads back to this property.
Access. Na ako na sila access road. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.